Welcome to Newsmaster for weekly top news. First news, India's industrial production contracted by 55.5% in April. Manufacturing, which accounts for 78% of IIP, shrink 64.2%. As a result, electricity production shrank 22.5%. In automobile industry, Mahindra reports first quarter loss in 19 years. Its pre-tax loss at 1,761 crore in quarter 4. Net sales down by 26% year on year due to sharp fall in demand of tractor and major losses in South Korean subsidiary Zhang. Next news is British online food delivery company Just Eat buys American Grubhub. The deal is about $7.3 billion and the company will focus on US, UK, Germany and Netherlands. Clicks Capital NBFC offers commercial and retail lending, is in talks to buy a majority of stake in Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Clicks Capital likely to take 51% stake in this bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank is one of the weakest lenders in India with 23.27% NPAs. Panacea Biotech Innovation in Support of Life, partnering with US-based Rifana Inc. to make more than 500 million doses of vaccine candidate for COVID-19. Share of Panacea increased by 20%. Unilever planning to combine its two legal entities, British and Dutch. Two legal entities are placed since 1930. Combining of these legal entities will give the flexibility to Unilever for mergers and acquisitions. Mahindra Group chairman Anand Mahindra invested $1 million in HapRamp, established in 2018 by 5 students of IIT. This startup works on technologies like blockchain and social media. Nisaba Godrej will be the MD and CEO of Godrej Consumer from July 1st, 2020. Nisaba Godrej is replacing Vivek Gambhir, who resigns as MD and CEO of Godrej Consumer. He was MD and CEO from 2013. 70% of contract workers, 6 lakh in private sector are unemployed, 30% industries have not even started, and those have started only getting 10 to 30% orders. Reliance will be debt-free by December 2020 due to fundraising of 1.05 trillion via right issue. Prabhakar Raghavan, IIT Madras graduate, now head of Google Search. He joined Google in 2012. Akshay Kumar, only Indian among 100 highest paid celebs list by Forbes. He is ranked 52 in the list with rupees 366 crore during June 19 to May 2020. Tamil Nadu's 13-year-old M. Netra has been appointed Goodwill Ambassador for UN Association for Development and Peace. Karnataka Bank reports 285 crore fraud, DHFL at rupees 180.13 crore, Religale Finvest rupees 43.44 crore, Fedus Electric rupees 41.3 crore and Lee Electricals rupees 20.65 crore. India's first solar-powered ferry, Aditya, representing Asia, Gustave Trouve Awards event, Kerala-based company. DLF's Kushal Pal Singh retires at the age of 90. His son Rajiv Singh will take over. Kushal Pal Singh, he joined DLF in 1961. DLF was started in 1946. Ravish Kumar 1995 batch IFS next ambassador of India to Finland. Presently, he is the joint secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs.